Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course, and just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. I just hold it and move my Motorola, and I took like 14 shots. Here I can review them, and as you can see, here I have all these burst shots I just took. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.